electrostatic. Electrostatic is the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges at rest. So this is the study of charges at rest. Now we define what is charge. What is charge on a body? The total deficiency or excess of electrons in a body is known as charge on a body. Suppose we have two bodies. When we rub two bodies with each other, then there are two conditions. Either there is an excess of electron or there is a loss of electrons. So according to loss or gaining of electrons, body become positively or negatively charged. Positively charged body means positively charged body means loss of electrons. Negatively charged body means excess of electrons. So according to loss or gain of electron, body become positively or negatively charged. Now what is the unit of charge? Unit of charge. Unit of charge is coulomb. Unit of charge is coulomb. One small unit is 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb. This is the unit of charge. So nature of forces between charge. Nature of forces between charges. Charge may be positive and may be negative. So number 1 is like charge repel each other. Second is unlike charge attract each other. Suppose these are two charges, positive, this is also positive. Here is repulsion. So one charge is positive charge, other is negative. So there is attraction between two charges. Now we will discuss regarding Coulomb law in electrostatic. What is Coulomb law? Coulomb's law in electrostatics. Suppose we have two charges. One is positive. This is Q1 charge. This is Q2 charge. This charge is positive charge. So these charges are separated by distance r. R is the distance between these two charges. According to this law, there is a force of attraction or repulsion between two charges. There is force of attraction or repulsion. Force of attraction or repulsion between two charge is directly proportional to product of magnitude of two charge and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. So according to first line, force of attraction or repulsion between these two charges is directly proportional to product of Q1 Q2. This is the product of two charge. This force is directly proportional to product of two charge, and this force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Say that this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now from these two equations, so F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. So when we replace this directly proportional with equal sign, here is constant of proportionality K, Q1 Q2 by R square. Say this is equation number 3. The value of this constant depend upon the nature of medium between two charge. So K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon R in SI system. Put this value of K here. In equation number 3 we get F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon R Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is the expression for Coulomb law in electrostatic. This epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. Epsilon naught is equal to 8.854 into 10 raised to power minus 12 farad per meter, and epsilon r is equal to 1 for air. So the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 raised to power 9. So this is the expression for Coulomb law. Now we can define what is the meaning of permittivity. The property of particular medium, which affects the magnitude of force existing between two point charges, So this is all about Coulomb law in electrostatic. If we have given the value of Q1, Q2, these two charges or distance between two charges, then we can find using this formula the force between two charges by putting the value of epsilon naught and epsilon r.